Hello students, today's topic is effects of government purchases and tax changes on the budget surplus. The change in income due to increased government purchases is equal to change in equilibrium level of output is identically equal to multiplier times change in G bar. A fraction of that increase in income is collected in the form of taxes, so tax revenue increases by change in tax revenue is equal to tax rate times change in equilibrium level of output, where change in equilibrium level of output is multiplier times change in G bar. Therefore, the change in budget surplus is equal to change in taxes minus change in government expenditure. After some calculations, we get this final result. So I will show you this calculation part. Change in budget surplus is equal to change in taxes minus change in government expenditure. In the next step, we will write this change in taxes as tax rate times change in equilibrium level of output minus change in G bar. Tax rate times change in equilibrium level of output was multiplier times change in G bar minus change in G bar. Now we will take change in G bar common from these terms, so it will be T alpha G minus 1 times change in G bar. In the next step, we will write the value of alpha G, which is 1 upon 1 minus MPC times 1 minus tax rate. This is minus 1 change in G bar. In the next step, we will take LCM, so it will be T minus 1 plus MPC 1 minus tax rate, and here is change in G bar. In the next step, we will write 1 minus MPC 1 minus tax rate, and we will take minus 1 common from these terms, so it will be minus 1 minus T plus C 1 minus T and change in G bar. In the next step, this will be 1 minus C 1 minus T, and we will take 1 minus T common, so it will be 1 minus T C minus 1 change in G bar. And the last step, we will take minus 1 common from this bracket, so it will be minus 1 minus T and 1 minus MPC upon this term change in G bar. This one. Okay, which is unambiguously negative, So if G bar increases, then budget surplus will be reduced. If G bar increases, then budget surplus will be reduced. And change in budget surplus will be less than change in G bar. If MPC is 0.8, tax rate is 0.25 and government expenditure increases by $1, then change in budget surplus will be $0.375. You can calculate this using this formula. So, thus a $1 increase in government purchases will create a $0.375 reduction in the surplus. In the same way, if tax rate increases, then budget surplus will be increased despite the reduction in income that it causes. Thank you.